Hey, what's up, comic vatos? How's it going? It's your homeboy Alex from Tapes Family Limited Comics, and we have my daughter Camila in the video with us today. And today is just a brief video. We went today to the mall to go get her ears pierced, as you can see, and also as well as my 2-year-old's ears. Yeah, they had to go through some pain real quick, but hey, it got done. They're okay. Nobody got really hurt, seriously hurt. But right next to where they were piercing their ears, there was this store called A to Z store. So it had to do with like figures, statues, all things collectibles. They had comic books there, but I couldn't really go through them all because I had her in my hand and I had my 2 other daughters with me. One of my daughters helped me out, which was Luz. She was going through some of the comic books. She gave me a handout real quick, but it was a little difficult to try to hold the camera with her in my hand and try to like browse through all the bins they had there. But I'm gonna try to go back and see what they have there. So if you guys want to see how the store looks and take a peep, stay tuned. Oh shit! Tell them, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell and leave a like. Tell them, leave a like. All right, stay tuned. tell them welcome back, and that'll be all for today, folks. Pew, 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 pew. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for all those who watched towards the end or to the end. I appreciate you guys. You guys are true believers and true comic vatos locos. And man, I'm trying to get more content out there for you guys, some fresh stuff, some different things. But it's kind of hard when you have 4 girls and your wife, and you got to help out at home, and you know, you got to go to work and stuff like that. Yeah, it's kind of tough to squeeze that in to read comic books as well and make videos. And also, I haven't been to a comic book shop in like 3 months. So going on 4 now, but it's okay. I will get to go one day. Don't worry. Like today, I got to go. It was just, hey, because it was right next door to where we were at. So, I mean, I'm going to try to go out there and try to do some more of these videos right here for you folks. I mean, because I enjoy them. I enjoy doing them, and I enjoy watching other people's videos that have to do with like little comic books tours. But yeah, man, that'll be all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below, and don't forget, comic vatos locos forever, and wash those hands.
There is a power deeper than friendship.
Who can stop us? Vatos locos forever, carnal. Let's go. It's a bond you can never break.